Hello, Soobin. How are you?
I am a bit nervous and happy a bit too.
Can you introduce a little bit about yourself?
I am 10 years old and my name is Soobin Jung.
So, can you tell us a little bit about your performance today?
Today I built the Rubik's Cube and a little bit like unscrambling like that.
Oh, so we cannot wait to see you perform. Good luck to you.
Okay.
Hello, Soobin. How are you?
I'm more nervous.
You are more nervous? Alright, I'm going to mix the Rubik for you, okay? Is this good enough for you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. Good luck.
Okay.